MBA Interview Questions and Answers Guide 2025. Preparing for MBA Interview. To prepare efficiently for common MBA interview questions and answers for freshers, one must be very thorough and ready to present their story and find a way to bind their aims and career goals with the program's value. Here, in this blog, we have made a list of some sample MBA interview questions and answers that will help you prepare efficiently for your interview. Common MBA interview questions and answers for freshers. Here, we have listed the top common MBA interview questions and answers for your smooth and easy preparation. 1. Tell something intriguing about yourself. For this question, please ensure that you are very careful when answering. Here, you can share your background and
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
information in a very concise yet interesting way, you can talk about your interests and passions and what encouraged you towards this path of MBA. Together with this, add your best achievements and experiences gained throughout your school days and undergrad program. 2. What is your motivation for pursuing a business degree? For such questions, answer specifically with why you are aiming for an MBA degree. And also provide them with convincing reasons for how it can help you accomplish your ambitions. One important thing for you to consider is that you must focus on explaining your talents and aims that you possess and feel can be very relevant for you in shaping your MBA journey. For these types of questions, interviewers look for a very in-depth and comprehensively prepared answer. Hence, because of this, you must remember to answer in a very strategic way that is also able to reflect your eagerness and enthusiasm in this field. This is also one of the most expected MBA interview questions. 3. Tell about your strengths and weaknesses. For questions like this, just start by describing your actual strengths and weaknesses. No matter in whichever format this question is asked, make sure your answer has the element of honesty and integrity in it. You can tell a brief story about how you recognized a weakness and worked to improve it, which indeed will truly help to showcase your maturity and accountability in the journey of your personal growth. Now, when it comes to the strengths, try to choose one or two qualities that truly set you apart and back them up with some clear and relevant examples. This, therefore, shows that you are not one of those individuals who just name traits but also live them. 4. Why are you interested in joining this business school? Such questions are mostly asked to see if you have actually done your research regarding the school and if you have an understanding of how it aligns with your ambitions. This can be answered by talking about those specific characteristics that make the school stand out among other competitor schools. 5. What is your strategy for handling conflict within your team? Such questions are often asked by the interviewer to understand if you can solve conflicts in an efficient way. If yes, how would you manage certain difficulties without harming the team spirit? Hence, to be able to answer this question efficiently, you must focus thoroughly on a very smooth and clear tone of communication, which can also reflect your empathetic values. 6. What are some of your biggest achievements as an efficient leader? You must prepare multiple examples of those times when you have showcased your leadership capabilities, whether in a school debate or an intercollegiate competition. Don't forget to clearly describe the projects that you have led, along with the results you accomplished from them. At the same time, you must not forget to highlight the significance of your leadership qualities during those situations, along with those important lessons and advice that helped you shape your abilities during certain challenging journeys.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.